If every prop in your components is typed as string or any, you're missing the single most useful trick in React and TypeScript, literal and union types. In this video, I'll show you how to type props so precisely that TypeScript stops you from ever passing an invalid value, like a button variant that doesn't exist. Let's fix that. We typed props with an interface, name, string, age, number, that kind of thing. Today we go one level deeper. What happens when a prop isn't just a string, but one of a specific limited set of strings? Union types for props. Step 1. The problem with plain string interface. Button props variant string. Too loose. Button variant primary. Fine. Button variant primary. Typo. TS says nothing. Step 2. Replace with a union of string literals. Button props variant primary, secondary, danger. Button variant primary. Yes. Button variant primary. No. Type error. Union types versus enums. Quick question I get a lot. Why not just use an enum here instead of a union of strings? You can, but in React, string union literals are usually the better choice. They're just plain strings at runtime, so they show up cleanly in props, in your JSX, and in DevTools. Enums add an extra layer most component libraries don't need. Rule of thumb, reach for a union of literals first, and only use an enum if you need shared numeric values across your app. Optional props, defaults and literal unions together. Interface button props, variant primary, secondary, danger. Size, SM, D, OLG, L. Optional, defaults to MD. Disabled Boolean. Function button, variant size MD, disabled equals false. As button props. Return to button class name BTN variant BTN size. Disabled equals L. Button. Notice size is optional, marked with question, but we still give it a real default value of MD right in the destructuring. That's the pattern. Optional in the type, defaulted in the function signature. Typing the children prop properly. Interface button props. Variant primary, secondary, danger. Size SMMD ELG. Disabled Boolean. Children, React Node. React Node is the type you want almost every time. It covers strings, numbers, JSX elements, arrays of elements, even null and undefined. If you've seen JSX element instead, that's narrower. It only covers actual JSX, not plain text or arrays. Default to React Node unless you have a specific reason not to. Discriminated unions. Typing component variants precisely. Step 1. The problem. Not every variant needs the same props. A card that can show an image or a text-only layout. Interface card props. Type image or text. Image URL string. Text string. Nothing stops this invalid combination. Card type image, text, oops, no image URL. Step 2. Fix it with a discriminated union. Interface image card props, type image URL, string. Interface text card props, type text, string. Type card props is image card props or text card props. Function card props. If props type is equal to image, return image source props image URL. TS knows image URL exists here. Return P, text exists here. The discriminated union trick. Here's a trick that instantly levels up your component props. If two variants of a component need different required fields, don't make everything optional. Split them into separate interfaces joined with a shared type field. Then union them together. TypeScript will automatically figure out which fields exist based on that type field. It's called a discriminated union, and once you use it, you'll see the need for it everywhere.